Please raise your right hand and please fill in the blanks with your details and you may proceed with your oath.
Ako si Inanti Bukingo Disyata ng Barangay Bonbon, Lungsod ng Butuan, Pilipinas. Nanahalal sa katungkulan bilang Vice Alkalde ng Lungsod ng Butuan. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa, natutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayanan ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyang katungkulan at ng mga iba pa pagkakaraan nito'y gagampanan ko sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas na aking itataguyod at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas na tunay na mananalig at tatalima ako na susundin ko ang mga batas, mga kautusang legal, mga dekretong pinaiiral ng mga sadyang tinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At kusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutang ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Congratulations.
Thank you, God. Salamat.
Congratulations, Honorable Vice Mayor. It's about time, ladies and gentlemen, to listen to the message of our new Vice Mayor of Butuan City. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Reynante Bukingo Disyata.
My respect to our City Mayor, Ronnie Vicente Condi Lagnada. To my boss in Sangguniang Panlungsod, 16 Sangguniang Panlungsod, Vice Mayor, Mayor-elect Lau Fortun. To our Congressman, the first Lone District of Butuan City, Congressman Juboy Aquino. To my supportive family, my wife, Sam, and my children. To my colleagues in the 16th Sangguniang Panlungsod. To my future colleague later this afternoon, my 17th Sangguniang Panlungsod family. To all city government employees, regional line agencies, mga kapitan, mga katawhan nga ni Butuan. Again, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Let me begin by saying thank you to every Butuanan who stands with me in this journey of service. Your trust is more than a blessing. It is also a resounding call to serve with a deeper purpose. I began this journey behind the scenes as a head executive assistant, then I became the city administrator, then became councilor, and now your vice mayor. Every step reminded me that public service is never about the position. It's about carrying the weight of people's hopes and doing the work with humility, integrity, and heart. As a presiding chair of the 17th Sangguniang Panlungsod, I stepped into the role with the firm resolve to lead a council that listens with compassion, deliberates with wisdom, and legislate with vision. We stand at a moment of continuity and a commitment. What was begun under the leadership of Mayor Ronnie Vicente Lagnada, Congressman Juboy Aquino, our Vice Mayor and Mayor-elect Lau Fortun, with Race 1616 as its rallying cry, continues with us. We inherit not only a vision, but a working playbook anchored on the 6+4 framework. that has helped transform Butuan into a future-ready, smart, and competitive city. As your Vice Mayor, I see this not as a reward, but as a solemn responsibility to help shape a responsive, principled, and future-facing City Council. One that stands solidly behind our flagship programs, the Butuan International Seaport, the Special Economic Zones, the strengthening of our digital and institutional system, and the backbone reforms that promote transparency, resilience, and good governance. We are not here to reinvent. What already works, we are here to enrich, strengthen it, carry it forward with new energy and sharper focus. We will work to shape a council culture of clarity, collaboration, and concrete results. Guided by the principles we've long upheld: consultation, transparency, and respect for differing views. We aim to deliberate with unity and act with a shared sense of direction. In this new chapter, I commit to serve not only as a presiding officer, but a steady anchor of fairness, a convener of consensus, and a builder of alignment. With the wisdom of those who came before us, the 16th Sangguniang, and the energy of those who walk with us, we will write the next chapter of Butuan's progress together. Padayon kita sa paglawig, mga igsoong Butuanon, ngadto sa usa ka tinuod ug hingpit nga lagsik kadakbayan. Daghan salamat ug God bless Butuan.